A comprehensive flood control plan is set to get underway to minimize major flooding in Montego Bay in St. James. Works Minister Robert Morgan gave details of that plan and more in his sectoral presentation on Wednesday. Details in this report from Andrea Chisholm.
Images from the West Green, Catherine Hall area of Montego Bay, St. James in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Homes were flooded, mud and debris covered the area for weeks, leading to massive cleanup exercises with heavy-duty equipment. On Wednesday, Works Minister Robert Morgan reiterated that flood waters exceeded drainage capacity.
These flows exceeded the design capacity of the Barnett Street Bridge by approximately 1,600%. What? That is the scale of the climate reality we are now facing. As a response, we are going to increase the conveyance capacity, make maintenance easier, and improve performance in the flat terrain in the Catherine Hall area. We have a proposed system which we are still assessing which we are going to call the Montego Bay River Flood Control Plan, which is designed to preserve the existing levee system with controlled discharge points and backflow prevention measures.
A drainage study of Montego Bay was completed before the hurricane. As for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road,
the Montego Bay bypass is approximately 85% complete. Yes. Prime Minister, we expect that by September, October, you'll be walking into St. James to cut the ribbon for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road.
Turning to the Spark project, Minister Morgan said it was scheduled to end in December 2026, but based on scheduling and implementation, it is now expected to be completed by March 31, 2027.
As of April 2026, Madam Speaker, we're at 26% completion. That's right. 9 work orders valued at $18 billion have been instituted, right, covering 369 community roads across 4 packages. Amen. Construction has commenced on 210 roads. 109 of them have already been completed.
In the meantime, there have been long-standing complaints about the quality of work done by contractors. Minister Morgan says steps have been taken to improve efficiency and hold them accountable for the job done.
I recently, as a policy directive, issued a memorandum to the National Works Agency to ensure that we govern the quality of asphalt, the way contractors are patching the road, the supervision that is being done in the road maintenance programs to ensure that the public gets value for money in the road maintenance programs. That's right, that's right. Madam Speaker, rules are coming to deal with overloaded trucks, yes, who are destroying our infrastructure, and also persons who continue to emanate destructive substances on our roads.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.